am on my way to go get this book. And as a Christian and a Republican, about it, but I gotta vote from God's perspective in everything. So with that, I am on my way to Barnes and Noble's right there, and I'm about to go get a book, and it's by this lady. Her name is Candace Owens. I'm pretty much sure you guys heard of her. Just came out of Barnes and Noble's, and here is the book, Black Out by Candace Owens. If you're a Christian or not, black or not, I suggest this is a must read. This is a must read. So I was one left after this one, so 2 left altogether. So I'm glad. And guess what, y'all? It sold out more than Obama's book. Hey, to God be the glory. It says how Black America can make its second escape from a Democratic plantation. Aid to the man. We gotta wake up. All right, I'll see you soon. God bless. All right, this is an update. My local Kohl's had a sale. It was half off, and I got a whole pack for $10. So I couldn't beat that because regular price is like 20. So, anywho, I'm heading over to Shawonya, the artist place, and we're gonna just do something. So I will be, you're gonna see that later. So yeah, stay tuned. And this is what I'm watching. Please. Description box down below. Okay, see. If you would like to see the final look, don't forget to check out Shawonya the artist channel. I will have her channel link in my description box so you can see the whole entire process. So I really do like it for the fall 2020 makeup look. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon. God bless. A Starbucks DIY drink because I love Starbucks, and especially during the different seasons. Now their teas are 100%. Yeah, I need that. So that's what I'll be making. So I'll be showing you tomorrow on Thursday, and I'm recording it on my Samsung phone. I don't know Apple. I really like them. Yeah. All right. So I'll see you on Thursday. God bless. Go spice. This is a strong flavor. I really do like this in a clear cup. Yep. By far the bomb. Now my caramel sauce, homemade, and this recipe, but it's good. Fading, light brown, white, and then this is the tea and the caramel sauce. We're God's bride. We gotta be and live like His bride. So just want to encourage you with that. I actually went through a thorough skincare. I didn't make a video because one, this is my first time trying it, but I woke up like this, y'all. I mean, look at that glow. And Shawonya the artist did my makeup yesterday, so don't forget to check out that video.